We all know the bond with our dog is special, but what if that bond could literally save your life? It sounds like something from a movie, but it's real science. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell, up to 10,000 times more powerful than ours. They have around 300 million scent receptors in their noses, allowing them to detect tiny chemical changes in our bodies. These changes are called volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, which can be early signs of serious illness. In labs, trained dogs are sniffing out cancer samples with amazing accuracy, identifying lung, prostate, and breast cancer long before other methods can. For people with diabetes, a dog can be a lifesaver, nudging their owner to alert them to dangerous blood sugar swings. While they're not a replacement for your doctor, these amazing animals are becoming powerful allies in early disease detection. It just goes to show how truly incredible our four-legged friends are. Thanks for watching. Have you ever looked at your dog and felt that incredible, unspoken connection? That bond that goes beyond just a pet and its owner. We see them as our best friends, our family, our loyal companions through thick and thin. But what if I told you that this bond, this deep connection, could actually save your life? It sounds like something out of a movie, but it's a scientific reality happening right now. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of canine disease detection, exploring how our furry friends are becoming one of the most surprising and powerful tools in modern medicine. So, how is this even possible? It all comes down to one of a dog's most famous features, its nose. While we humans rely heavily on our sight, dogs experience the world primarily through scent, and their sense of smell is nothing short of a superpower. Let's put it into perspective. A human has about 6 million olfactory receptors in their nose. A dog, depending on the breed, can have up to 300 million. That's 50 times more powerful than ours. It's like comparing a tiny magnifying glass to the Hubble Space Telescope. This extraordinary ability allows them to detect odors in concentrations as low as 1 part per trillion. Imagine dropping a single teaspoon of sugar into 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools. A dog could smell it. But what does it have to do with human diseases? Well, our bodies are constantly undergoing complex chemical processes. And when something goes wrong, like the development of a disease, these processes change. These changes produce specific signatures called volatile organic compounds. Or think of them as tiny, invisible glues that our bodies release through our breath, sweat, and urine. To us, these scents are completely undetectable, but to a dog's supersensitive nose, they might as well be a blaring alarm. Each disease has its own unique palpate profile, a distinct scent that a trained dog can learn to identify with incredible accuracy. Let's talk about one of the most researched areas, cancer detection. Scientists have been training dogs to sniff out various types of cancer, and the results are astonishing. In controlled lab settings, dogs are presented with samples of breath or urine from both healthy individuals and cancer patients. With remarkable precision, they can identify the samples from those with lung cancer, breast cancer, prostate cancer, and even ovarian cancer. In some studies, their accuracy rates have been over 90%. This is particularly crucial for cancers that are difficult to detect in the early stages. Imagine a future where a simple, non-invasive breath test screened by a dog could provide an early warning sign, prompting doctors to investigate further and catch the disease when it's most treatable. These dogs aren't just identifying a general sick smell, they are pinpointing the specific chemical signature of the cancer itself. The applications don't stop at cancer. For people living with diabetes, managing blood sugar levels is a constant, daily challenge. A sudden drop or spike in blood sugar can be incredibly dangerous, leading to disorientation, seizures, or even a coma. This is where diabetic alert dogs come in. These specially trained companions can smell the subtle chemical changes that occur in their owner's body when blood sugar levels are heading into the danger zone. They can detect these changes 15 to 30 minutes before the glucose monitor can. When they smell this change, they alert their owner through a specific behavior, like nudging them with their nose, howling at them, or bringing them their medical kit. This early warning gives the person precious time to check their levels and take action, preventing a medical emergency before it even begins. It's a living, breathing safety net that provides not just physical security, but immense peace of mind. And the list of what these medical detectives can do is growing every day. Researchers are now exploring their ability to detect neurological disorders like Parkinson's disease. One incredible story tells of a woman who noticed her husband's body odor had changed years before before he was dying. She later worked with scientists who confirmed that people with Parkinson's do have a unique scent, and they are now working to develop tests based on this discovery. There's also promising research into dogs detecting malaria from the scent of a person's socks, and even identifying bacterial infections like C. difficile. The potential seems almost limitless. Each new study uncovers another layer of their incredible sensory abilities, opening up new possibilities for how they can help us. Now, it's really important to be clear about something. These amazing dogs are not a replacement for doctors, traditional medical tests, or established diagnostic procedures. Your family dog, as wonderful as they are, isn't going to suddenly diagnose a complex illness without specific, rigorous training. The dogs involved in this work are highly skilled professionals, just like a human medical expert. They go through months, sometimes years, of intensive training to learn how to isolate and signal these specific scents. Think of them as a highly specialized biological screening tool. Their role is to be an early warning system, a way to flag potential issues that might otherwise go unnoticed. Their alert prompts a visit to the doctor for proper medical diagnosis and treatment. They are a powerful ally, a partner in the healthcare process. So, what does this all mean for the future of medicine? We're at the beginning of a fascinating new chapter, one where we're learning to work alongside our canine companions in ways we never thought possible. Scientists are studying these dogs to better understand the exact VOCs they're detecting. The ultimate goal is to use this knowledge to develop new technologies, like electronic noses or more sensitive lab tests, that can mimic the dog's ability and make early disease screening more accessible and widespread. By learning from the master sniffers of the animal kingdom, we can create a future where diseases are caught earlier, treatments are more effective, and more lives are saved. The next time you look at your dog curled up at your feet or greeting you with a wagging tail, remember there's more to them than meets the eye. Inside that furry head is a sophisticated biological sensor, a testament to millions of years of evolution. The bond we share with them is not just emotion. It's a powerful, primal connection that continues to surprise us. They are our protectors, our confidants, and as we are now discovering, they might just be our best hope for a healthier future. Thanks for watching, and if you found this as amazing as I did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible stories from the world of science.